Businesses today operate in a multi-cloud environment, their data moving between on-prem, public, and private clouds, putting pressure on the network to innovate at pace. And that's where BT's global fabric platform with Cisco routers comes into play.
Simply put, we're creating the world's largest interconnection fabric for distributed workloads and cloud.
Using this network, customers will be able to choose the right type of connectivity for their applications and workloads and manage the routes they take as they move across the network.
The old way we used to contract was like tie you in for 5 years, and we wouldn't really do anything in between the start and the finish of the contract. Now, with the new platform, you don't have that lock-in. You want to change, you want to grow, you want to reduce. That's a new way of working for a telco.
It's the type of innovation Cisco hopes to expand across its partner base as it adds new incentives, tools, and specializations to its partner program. Updates that Cisco says will align its partners to the subscription economy, similar to the pay-as-you-go model BT has brought to market with Global Fabric.
So if a partner sells a box or some of our world-class hardware, they earn an incentive. But when they sell our subscription software, not only do they earn the incentive when they sell it, when they expand it and renew it, they earn an incentive, and we reward them for their cumulative subscription base. So we want them to grow that subscription base over the VIP period. So we reward them for really driving that full value across a customer lifecycle.
Mark Surplus is the Vice President of Global Partner Strategy and Programs at Cisco. So what are some of the things that they're telling you that they need from you today? I mean, we're in a market where there's so much change and everyone's talking about generative AI and there's so much innovation at a fast pace.
Yeah, so for me with the programs and incentives, they come to me and say, hey Mark, we love your partner programs. We love the competitive differentiation they give us in the market. We need to stand up new practices and new technology areas faster given the pace of change in technology. And that's where our solution specialization portfolio comes in. These are newer, lighter weight specializations, multi-architectural in nature, so they span our entire technology portfolio, and they are really geared to Cisco's customer priorities, and more importantly, the solutions partners are already delivering to our customers. So we've launched 5 new ones this week. We've revamped completely our SMB specialization. We're bringing out 2 IoT specializations for both industrial and non-industrial. And then it's about securing the network. So we have zero trust, network security, and secure networking. All about inside and outside the network, how can we keep it secure? Because that's what customers are telling partners they want them to do.
Cisco also introduced several enhancements to the Partner Experience Platform, also known as PXP. This is a personalized online portal to support partners' productivity, competitiveness, profitability, and go-to-market strategies. PXP has been augmented with AI, ML-powered predictive insights that can guide partners in ways to differentiate and grow their business. There's also a sustainability estimator now available to environmental sustainability specialized partners. This will provide partners insights into the estimated energy savings, cost reductions, and environmental impact of their solutions. It comes as sustainability appears to be a top focus for both customers and partners.
Not only is it good for the circular economy or achieving net zero targets, it's also good financial sense. It allows us to give far better unit economics on how we're able to serve our customers now with a far more efficient network. In fact, our new network compared to our old networks is using about 79% less emissions and electricity and therefore cost in the network, that we're able to give a dashboard to our customers now and say, hey, look, this is the most efficient use of energy and electricity and the least amount of carbon to move your data around the planet.
Later, we spoke to Alex Pujol, VP of Global Partner Engineering for Global Partner Sales at Cisco, who talked to us about the technology enabling those kinds of sustainability savings.
In order to do it right, there's a hardware perspective and there's a software perspective. And one of the great things about Cisco is we have such a rich legacy with hardware. And so several years ago, we actually acquired a company that was developing silicon, and now, well, actually, we brought them in to create silicon specifically focused in the carrier grade or the large telco or service provider space because of the needs that they had in terms of reducing power consumption and driving down costs. And it was so effective that we've actually started to take that hardware, that chipset, and move it further down market. So you can actually see it in some of our mid-level, like Nexus switches, for example, in your average customer's data center. So Silicon One has been absolutely amazing. We're continuing to drive that hardware differentiation across the board. And then from a software perspective, and you may have heard it here at the event, we've got tons of management consoles. There was Nexus Dashboard, we talked about it. There's a sustainability calculator. There's all kinds of software-based elements that we're building in the portfolio. So, any customer that wants to invest in Cisco is going to have a path to that type of sustainability and cost savings.
For more coverage from Cisco Partner Summit, follow along right here on Light Reading.